Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to make this two-tone granny square. Thank you for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So let's get into this video. Let's get our first color. Let me use blue. So we are getting this, making a ring first. So make a ring. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So you should be having something like this. Chain 3. Put in extra 2 double crochet. So you're having 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Put in another 3 double crochet. So this you're not going to yarn over 3, the third one. So yarn it over with the red. Don't forget to twist. So make 2 chains like this. Then put in extra 3 double crochet. Three double crochet like this. Chain 2, another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So like this. Then you slip stitch here. So you're having a square. So this is what you should be having right now. So we are going to chain 3 with chain 2, 1, 2, then 3. Turn your work. Put in 2 extra double crochet. So you have 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. So you have this. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Like this. So but we're not going to finish it up. We're going to go back. You're going to have 2 strands like this. Then twist it with the red. Then yarn it over like this. Chain 2. Put in 3 double crochet like this. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Three double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then go back to our first, chain 2, put in here, not here but into this hole, 3 double crochet, like this, chain 2, then slip stitch here. So this is what you should be having, like this. Chain 3, with chain 2, 1 2 3. Turn your work to the other side, make 2 extra double crochet, like this, chain 2, 3 double crochet, like this, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So this is what you should be having. This is what your own should be looking like right now. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, pick up the red, twist, then yarn over, chain 2, three double crochet, like this, chain 2. We'll be stopping here, so we'll have to cut our yarn. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2. Don't forget we'll be putting 6 double crochet in our bigger cluster. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. That's 6 in the big cluster, and this is the big cluster. Our corner is the big cluster where we are creating border, is a big cluster. So this is our border, this is our border, this and this. So we have 4 cardinal points. I call it 4 cardinal points. So in our 4 cardinal points we are putting 6 double crochet, chain 2. So chain 2, we are putting 3 double crochet in here. It's not 6 because you're not creating border. You can only put 6 where you're creating border. You're not creating border, so always chain 2 at the end. So you're not going to put in into this small, you're putting it into this big hole. So put in 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, like this, chain 2, then slip stitch, like this, chain 2. We are stopping here, so we'll cut our yarn. So this is what you should be having. This is what yours should be looking like. So we are going to hide our yarn, by tying. So for this, we are not just going to cut, we are going to add our yarn too, because we only twisted. So to avoid pulling out, we have to sight it. So we are going to cut our yarn like this. So cut our yarn, cut carefully. So we are done. This is what you should be having, a granny square. This is what you should be having. So thank you for watching. Bye.